So if you want to block the checkout for non-VIP customers while purchasing a specific product more than 10 times, then in this video I will show the exact tutorial how you can do it very easily. So let's begin. So for this I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Then give a title, block checkout for non-VIP customers with more than 10 quantities of a specific product. Then add a new rule, add a condition, select the condition quantity of a product, then select the specific product which you want to add, operator greater than value 10. Then add another condition, customer does not have tag. Here add the VIP tag. I already added the tag to the customers, you can add from here. Now add the action, show error message on the checkout page. Here type the default message which you want to show. You cannot purchase more than 10 products. Then active the status and save this. Now if a non-VIP customer want to purchase this product more than 10 times, then the error message will pop up on the screen. So let's check it on the online store. If I select the specific product more than 10 times in the cart, and if I select a VIP customer, then you can see there is no error message. But if I select a non-VIP customer, then you can see the error message. So in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.